everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can activate call forwarding on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy process. So first of all, open your settings and from here scroll down all the way down, tap on apps and from here search for phone. Tap on the search icon and then search for phone. Just like this, tap on the phone and get to the settings of your phone. And then from here scroll down a bit, you can see the option of call forwarding. Tap on it and here wait for a few seconds. You can see currently call forwarding is turned off on my phone. Tap on it and simply turn it on. And then you can select the option of forward to, just like this. And now you can type down the number that you want to forward your call to. So here you can see I have wrote down the number that I want to forward my call to. So you can simply tap on this back option right here. And here you can see we have now successfully turned on our call forwarding. So if you can't pick up your phone somehow, your phone will be forwarded to this particular number. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.